What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa. I'm here at the Muscle Farm facility with my personal trainer, Jay. This guy is a beast and he's showing us 5 different exercises for your core to make sure that someday you look like this guy. Good luck. This first one here is a high ball plank on the Bosu ball, which is this half ball here that he's using as a platform. If you're a beginner, you don't have to use any weights, just follow the moves. Keep your core tight and engaged, all right? Your body needs to be straight. And then just twist your shoulders inwards to touch the ground across the other side and then switch. If you're an advanced athlete or if you've been working out for a while, then grab the 5-pound kettlebell or a weight that's good for you and then do the same, holding it at the top for 1 to 2 seconds. The hardest part of this exercise is keeping your core tight and your body straight as you go through the motion of bringing your hands up. This is my first time ever doing these, so I was actually a mess in the beginning here, super shaky, my body wasn't completely aligned, and by the end, I was doing it pretty well, pretty perfect, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm sure that you can do it too. Do 10 to 12 of these and your body will hurt a lot. All right, let's move on to the next exercise. Jay is obviously trying to kill us today. This one hurts like hell, but it definitely works. Most gyms have this TRX suspension system here that you can use for this. So hold yourself up in a plank position using the Bosu ball again. Bring your left knee and then your right knee in, and then both of them in twice and repeat. You see how my ass is really high here? Well, that's not how it's supposed to be, okay? Again, this is targeting your core, so you want to keep it straight and tight the whole time. Do 5 rounds of these if you can. Exercise number 3, all right? We're gonna double up on chest and core, as well as many other little muscles that, trust me, you've never engaged before, and it's gonna be very painful tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Bring your knees in as you're going down for each push-up and alternate between left and right knee. Do about 10 to 12 of these. Now, I've done these on the ground before, but never on a Bosu ball, which makes it so much harder, all right? But I do love a good challenge, so here we are. Next up, use the Bosu ball to balance on one hand, extend the other arm out, and then your opposite leg as well. And a pro tip for you guys, in your mind, you're trying to tighten your belly button as you're doing these, as if you're like sucking your belly button into your spine, and trust me, your core will burn. Number 4, next up here, we're sitting on the Bosu ball, which, by the way, I hate by now, okay? I've never used one of these before, and then Justin here is just making me use them all the time. It's killing me, but pain is weakness leaving the body or something like that. It's pretty corny, I know. If you're advanced, grab some kettlebells and then hold those arms up. Then you're gonna bring your knees into your chest, alternating left and right, and then both. If for some reason your shoulders aren't strong enough, no worries, just bring your arms in and then keep going. I've done it because my shoulders were destroyed by the end of this exercise. The funny thing about this one is that it looks so easy, but it's not, okay? These are like unconventional exercises that are so good for finding those little muscles that have been inactive for so long in your body, and now we're activating them. So sit on the Bosu ball and extend your arms out. If you're a beginner, then there's no weight needed. And you know what? Just get that burn and start changing your body now. As a bonus exercise, if you're feeling up for it, you can do these Russian twists on the Bosu ball. Again, another exercise that looks really easy, and I do these all the time, the Russian twist, but never on the Bosu ball. It changes everything, guys. Trust me, there's no reason to wait until the new year. A lot of guys are like, oh, I'll start exercising in 2019. Start now. Make changes to your body now, your posture, your confidence, and of course, your health. All right, guys, so that was 5 exercises that you can do for your core. Super unconventional. It's definitely gonna get those little muscles that you haven't worked out in a little while. Jay, thank you, my dude.
Appreciate you, man. Always
killing me. Always killing me.
You know how we get it in, man.
Make sure to follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna link everything in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and become part of the YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you again soon. Peace. Get it.